Shiloh Jesus and then call some niggas on tomorrow. Come on, I tell you, let's give him praise. Those who love Jesus, give him praise. Who loves a shelter?